Welcome to Focus Garage. Today we're going to talk about something that would help you with your motorcycle if you're doing an oil change or tire replacement, wheel replacement. We're going to talk about $50, 45 ranges between $45 to $50 bike jacks, I guess. They're like the scissor jacks, the way they work. You have your mechanism over here. And like when you screw it in, it kind of lifts it up. This one has these little legs kind of thing to help you if you don't have like a straight frame underneath your bike and you have spots where you can put these in safely and then raise it up. So I have a SV650 like you guys know, and then Virago. It's a cruiser and it works perfectly for those bikes, and those bikes do not have frames underneath the engine. And Mike we're in Mike's garage, and he has a Harley Davidson 1200.
Yeah.
Yeah, with the extra low. And with these, don't really fit underneath, but this, the red main spot fits perfectly. And we just lifted it up to see if it lifts up, and it lifts up. It's kind of sketchy because the bike is like not perfectly balanced. It's a tractor, so you have those problems, farm equipment. So kind of wobbles on the jack. So I would definitely suggest if you don't feel comfortable, get those ones that goes underneath the tire, the wheel, and then you just like push it up and lift it up. This was $45. I got it to do most of the maintenance on my bike. I have a chain, so I have to clean the chain. And it was perfect. I was able to clean the chain while it's up in the air, the rear wheel, and then just enough space because I didn't have those like paddocks, I guess.
Paddock stands, yeah.
Paddock stands. So I didn't have those on my way to do the cleaning. I just had like opening, and I was able to do it. I did the oil change on my bike on the Virago. You need to lift it up. It's very low on my oil. Collector, this wouldn't fit in, so I had to lift it up. It was perfect for that, so I'm very happy with it.
And what did it cost you? It was only what, 45, 50 bucks?
$45. This one was $45. It came with this. I was very skeptical about it. I did not trust the quality of it.
It seems to be pretty thick metal. It's got a nice and heavy base. I mean, it doesn't look like it's going to tip over or anything like that.
Yeah.
Let's show them the trick with raising it. You want to grab the impact over there?
It's going to be a little loud.
So something we learned here before you do it is a lot of people will use like a pipe wrench or a socket wrench or a tire iron. It comes with one, right?
It comes with one, so you can do it. But if you have a wrench, impact wrench,
check this out.
It lifts us up so easy, and then.
Yeah, so the nice thing about that is, and trust me, it works even with a motorcycle on there. A lot of people are going to be skeptical thinking that impact wrench won't lift a bike, and it will, no problem. Yeah. So that'll save you a lot of time, and it's not as, you don't have to worry about space, because I know a lot of people with big wrenches, you got to worry about turning it towards the ground. Yeah. So with that, it just zips it right up with no problem.
Exactly, and if you don't use it, if you don't use a jack and you're storing it, you can store it underneath the bike so easily. That's what I'm going to be doing. I set up it's winter time. Well, it's coming there. Here we're in October. Yeah. So I have my bikes all stored and ready for the winter. And I have a similar setup like Mike he has over here, but I have two bikes, and this will fit in right underneath both of them, and I don't have to worry about it. And during the summertime, I still have the same setup like this. I can just put it underneath.
And you'll still use the jack to change oil, chain maintenance, everything like that. So this serves, I guess you could say, a lot of value. The nice thing about it is, like you said, it's easily movable. But I guess for people that want to have these in a more permanent way, look, you can actually anchor them to the ground.
Right.
They've got holes.
It doesn't wobble. It does. You're more secure on it too.
Yeah.
And you can. There are places where you can put some people use bungee cords or such as
to ratchet strap their bike to it. Yeah.
And you have those spots right here if you look at it.
Yep.
You have it there. So there's a lot of options.
A lot of flexibility with it. What else I like too is these slides are fully adjustable. So you clamp them down with this, and you can put them anywhere you want. And these pads are also adjustable. You can spin them, and they're threaded. So you can put them up and down, and you can even, obviously rotate the orientation of them for what's going to fit best on your bike.
Exactly, because my bike doesn't have
Frame rails, right?
Frame rails, so that you gotta adjust them different height.
So what do you put them on your motorcycles?
So I have it right so the Virago goes under the exhaust.
It's like a mounting bracket or something?
Nope, just exhaust.
Oh, just on it, yeah.
Yeah, I don't know how secure it is, but so far it's been good. The SV650, I just use the engine, side of the engine, where this side has to be higher than the other one.
So it's level?
And, yeah, so it's like equal, and it lifts it up, and it does not wobble at all. So I'm very happy with it. One negative thing is that you can't really move the bikes with it.
Yeah.
So you have to, if you
get it set up where you're keeping it.
Yeah. So it's kind of, and then I'm not using ratchet or any bungee strap.
But you said yours feel pretty balanced and secured on it, right?
It does, yeah. But still, you're working with an impact or something like that. If you're working heavy on it,
a little scary.
Yeah. So you want to be careful about that.
Rate this bad boy out of 10 for what you paid.
For the price, for my usability, I would rate it at 7. $45 for this is it's pretty, because there's.
Have you seen the name brand ones? They charge $250, $300 for pretty much what's essentially very, very similar.
China baked to the same.
Yeah, and I think you bought it from Amazon, right?
I think so.
Amazon, maybe eBay. If we can find the link, we'll throw it in the description down below.
I'm very happy with it. I definitely suggest if you're looking for something like this and you don't want to spend any money, this is the perfect time. This is a perfect item to get it. Yeah. Thanks for watching. Let us know in the comment what you think about it. Would you buy it? Not. And if you know something better than this product, please let us know. We would love to review it. Check it out. We have so much free time in the winter time, so we can just chill it in the garage.
But if it's expensive, you got to buy it for us. I'm only buying it if it's $30 or less.
Cheap might be cheap. Yeah. Please subscribe, and if you haven't, please do so. We are pumping out videos as much as possible with our busy life. And also push that bell button to get all the notifications for our awesome content. Yeah. Kudos to all.